gotta talk to you. What you got in this thing, man?
4 Xv3 18's on 2 Salt 8K.
Lee, how you blow us up?
Probably years of abuse.
He said, finally let it loose, huh?
Yep.
It's pretty. What's your rear tuned at?
24.
24? Sounds good. Let's hear this thing, man. It looks amazing.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for the wait. All these pounds in my trap, I feel like I'm out of shape. These bitches love me, man. I'm drinking. Now you can't take. I don't get mad, I just get paid. It's a man's world. Excuse me. Now I ain't got a deal, but I got a rate. I feel like I'm out of shape. I'm drinking. You can't tell. Pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a Wraith. Pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a Wraith. Pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a Wraith. I saw my old bitch yesterday, you should have seen her face.
What's your social media, man?
I'm Dan on Facebook.
I got you. Hey, man, have a good day, man. I love it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.